Hello, what's up? Welcome back with the beautiful day.
Day 4, 1 and 1 is eliminated, only 2 is remaining.
Only 2 remain. So guys, today we are going to Mysore Zoo. Like one of the best zoo. Like there have like half kangaroo is also there.
Species of
Like from
animals are
all
there.
the way from Australia.
Australia, yeah.
Australian marsupial. So
Yeah.
we'll go there and I'll try to make some vlogs there. Okay.
Yeah.
Shri Rampura.
Shri Rampura.
Yes, sir. Okay, thumbs up. Let's go. सोचे थे हम लोग स्कैम करके आएंगे सुगत के लिए हाफ टिकट लिए 60 का और हम लोग दोनों एडल्ट के लिए
But the thing is that he
That
forgot
the-
his you should say simple.
that security guard asked his date of birth. Okay, he forgot that. He's like कौन सा बोलूँगा
2007 he said.
नहीं
First he said 2007.
2007
In my mouth
You don't know your brother's date of birth.
You should say random. Just say 2005.
Then he told us to buy a half ticket more. So we went and buy. Like tight security guys.
Like we are giving you tips. If you are coming next time, tell your younger brother to tell 2013.
2013.
March 25.
Even she asking ye month also.
Tell March. Tell
Tell timing also.
if he will say na, if he will say November, then it will be good. No, he said March.
March.
He used his 100% but still failed.
Mysore Zoo, it started at 1892 by the King Chamarendra Wadiar X. At first, it was a small private collection of animals. Later, it grew into the big zoo we see today. The zoo covers 150 acres and has animals from all over the world. Mysore Zoo is also the only zoo in India to have gorillas. It's home to more than 1500 animals and birds.
देखो हम लोगों ने नया स्पीशीज दिखा गाइस पब्लिक देखो यार गाइस जो देखो बाल खुजा रहे हो चीता गाइस डायनासोरस
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
पप्पी लिया था अभी गाइस वी आर डूइंग फेक एक्शन ओ देखो देख सलमान खान गाइस वेट आई शो यू
चल्लू भाई.
population. Guess the footprint. Okay, देखो. I don't know what is this. I think Christmas. Santa Claus. Guys, there is Taurus. Which one? Pokemon का Taurus और Bisan. हाँ. Tell what feature?
You see that next?
Yeah. Yes.
Light.
It's glows.
Yeah, it glows.
Really?
Oh my.
Wow.
Wow.
Told us na. I'll show you African elephant. See. African elephant. Guys, see this guys. See the muscular. They every day they went to gym guys. Workout.
Without protein, no body weight, nothing.
Nothing but they build.
Muscle.
Guys, see. I think they are making home. Guys, अभी नहा के आया देखो. Flying snake. कहाँ है? He is at holiday. दशहरा holiday. They are mating, I think so. देखो full attack के mood में. Fighting guys. Like green anaconda. So rare. Rare species दिखा रहा हूँ guys आप लोग को इधर से वेट पानी में रहता है. क्या क्यूट है गाइस देखो हिप्पो. गाइस पीयूष is saying their sweat is pink color sweat. Sun bath, they are doing sun bath guys. Let's go guys. Ventral teeth guys, let's go.
अकबर पधार रहे हैं.
टडन टडा.
तनु मैनू तंग करना है.
LDS crocodile. It's too huge. 2 human can fit. ये देखो, अरे इसका मुंह देख. Guys, इसका मुंह देखो guys. Like how they eat man. उसको like guys ये लोग गीगा चैट है guys. उन लोग को शायद से पीस करके खिलाना पड़ता है. We have to cut the meat to feed them. ओके, आप यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? New Pokemon guys. चला गया वहाँ पे. That much in the zoo of Mysore. Like we have reached to exit. We can sit here guys. See guys.
Hello guys, we are hiding from Farhan. He went for pee and now he is looking for us. And the Sugat and me hiding behind the cars in parking area. He is searching there us like anything. He is asking people where is he. He is trying to call us. He is trying to call us. Yeah. Let's make him worried.
बंदे को देखो, मेरा वेट करोगे अभी लोग. नमाज जा रहा हूँ इसमें. हम लोग का डांस देख रहे हैं आप लोग. इधर भाई, भाई मजा आ गया भाई, एकदम मजा आ गया. So now we are heading towards
Cathedral.
Saint Philomena Cathedral. Sorry
Yeah.
sorry sir.
Sorry sir.
No traffic.
No drama. Why he is coming in one
Follow
way?
the rules.
Why he is coming in one way?
Yeah man, it is one way road man.
Yeah.
Why?
Why? But
And still there, he is hauling man.
yeah.
Why you are tired so much?
Today he is tired. He said he walked 20 kilometers, but he is finishing 2 kilometers only.
What happened?
Chappal. Let's buy socks for him
Green
now.
sweating coming.
No,
Hippopotamus like.
we'll buy socks for him now.
Yeah.
Now.
What so food fighting?
Yeah.
We'll buy now.
We'll buy. Wait.
We'll remove from him. He's
Give me one second.
So guys, we are having some hydrating juice now.
We are hydrating ourselves.
भाई अभी हाइड्रेट हो गए, सीधा हम लोग को चामुंडी हिल्स.
नहीं. Cathedral.
कैथेड्रल जाके चामुंडी हिल्स.
Like today we are fulfilling our diversity.
First we went to mosque
Yeah.
because today is Friday, right?
Yeah. Now I am going to Cathedral because I have to confess everything what I did in that last week.
Now after that we'll go to चामुंडी हिल्स. थोड़ा हाथ में नहीं ना यार. He came from America guys. Foreigner.
पुना रहे हैं हम.
So hello guys, welcome back. So behind me the beautiful church is there, Cathedral, Saint Philomena Cathedral. It is also known as small piece of Europe in Mysore. So it was constructed in 1936 under the rule of Maharaja Krishna Raj Wadiar IV. It is built in the style of Neo-Gothic style. Its stair is around 175 feet high and the design has taken from the Cologne Cathedral in Germany. So it has 2 tall spires. So like the fact is the tallest spires in the Asia. Now we'll go inside and we'll check. Okay, I'll show you. Bye. How much was it? I think 20 for a man. So guys, we have gave our shoes to go inside. There is a rule to remove our shoe. 10 rupees or 20, we get a coupon. 1 minute.
I think this is all.
We'll go. Okay, dad. So hello, what's up everybody? So guys, we are at Chamundeshwari staircase. So if we wanna reach the top, so we have to climb more than 1000 steps. People do this because have some spirituality. They do with barefoot. मन्नत रहते हैं ना guys, like कोई मन्नत मांगता है तो उसके लिए they'll do like that. Yes sir. And the Chamundeshwari temple is about 1000 meter above the sea level. It is dedicated for that Chamundeshwari goddess. So and one new member also join us, bro. Need your introduce.
My name is Akhil.
Akhila, he is from
Akhil.
Akhil. So one new member join us with us. So
Nice to meet you.
his name is Akhil and he is from psychology department. He's from Kerala, Palakkad. Like he joined us from there, Saint Philomena temple. I show you guys. So not even we climb at the half, still we are got exhausted.
Not even the 1/4.
Yeah, not even the 1/4. How do you feel, sir?
Exhausted.
Huh? You need water or oxygen?
I need everything, including food.
Sugat is from Mysore only. He is telling sometime we'll get to see leopards also here. Huh, Sugat?
Yeah.
When did you saw leopards?
No.
People say. People say it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay for me.
What's the experience, sir? How do you feel?
Yeah, I just want to walk up the stairs.
Climbing the stairs?
Yeah, I don't want to talk.
It's okay for me.
Yeah.
Nice stairs.
See, we found one leopard here. Leopards! Kuch. Guys, now we are too exhausted, guys. I'm not even able to talk. Which way is this? Huh?
Don't know.
From where should we go? We'll go from here. Let me ask first. Come. We'll ask with them, shopkeepers. Guys, you know that foreigner we talk now. He is not wearing underwear. You know, people are smiling when they see from the down. We reached at somewhat 700 steps. 800. So now I'll show you the whole city view. It's looking so beautiful, guys. We'll have sunset here today.
Just in 19 minutes we have reached 800.
Just in 19 minutes. See how we dedicated to go up. Yes. How was the experience, ma'am? So thank you.
Super!
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
How was,
Whatever, my boy.
You're from
Whatever.
Germany?
Yeah.
you're from Spain
No,
or Germany?
touch.
Denmark.
Touch.
मुंह में डाल दिया. Guys, don't make dirty this place, guys. You guys are throwing every garbage here. See, the dustbin is here only. You should have throw here, man. Why are you making dirty everywhere? Those guys are running somewhat how we did this. Guys need celebration, guys.
26
Yes.
minutes.
Yes.
Can complete it early.
Soon.
Someone can complete. Come.
These are football players. If you guys did within 25 minutes.
Without having lunch, without anything.
Anything.
Just morning breakfast, and whole day we roam like anything, and still.
If you guys did within 25, tag me on Instagram. Here's the ID, okay? Let's go.
Tag us,
I'll
tag us,
mention
tag
you
us.
guys. I'll go
Tag-
give
tag
you
us,
mention
tag
back.
us, yeah.
Tag us. In the top of the hill, you guys see the rush. Lots of people. Like most of the people come with vehicle only by the help of bus or car.
Again, air pollution. They don't have that much emotion also. They can climb 100,000 steps.
They are not
They are-
like you, man.
They are people gave up. It's good for old fellows. Old people can come. But what about young ones? Those who are the flag barrier of this dharma.
So guys, on the staircase only, we have seen one statue, Nandi statue. I forgot to show you guys. It is one of the biggest statue which is carved from a wall stone. So guys, in the entrance only of the Chamundi hill, we'll find to see in the circle a statue of Mahisasur. So he has a powerful ability to change between the buffalo and the human. In his both hand, in the right hand he has holding a sword, and in his left hand he is holding a cobra.
One eternity later.
We have to throw this inside the dustbin, guys.
Hey.
Now it will work, guys. Really? I'll show the beautiful view from the top of the hill of
looks. This is
Chamundeshwari temple.
six.
Guys, see. Guys, see. Guys, beautiful sunset from Chamundeshwari Hills. Let's go, guys. Let's go. See the clouds. Even I am telling this guy, we'll go to Chamundeshwari Hill.
Because of him only we are staying 2 more days.
Yeah.
बात रहा है मैंने ऐसा ही.
गाइस अब मैसूर में पूरा लाइट जलेगा गाइस. फुल दिवाली होगा यहाँ से. इतना ऊंचे में हम लोग खड़े हैं लिटरली गाइस. इतना ब्यूटीफुल दिख रहा है गाइस.
Worth it
गाइस ऊपर आने के.
If you are coming Mysore, go anywhere, but don't miss Chamundi Hills.
Chamundi Hills and see the sunset or sunrise. Okay.
Yeah.
By stair only, use the stairs.
use
1000
steps.
stairs.
हाँ.
Steps. I'll show you guys. Literally पूरा अभी चमकने वाला है guys. देखो आप लोग. Guys, see. Wow. गाइस ये देखो क्या हालत कर दी है गाइस. ये होते हैं इंडियंस भेंडी. इतना प्यारा जगह यहाँ पे व्यू पॉइंट था गाइस. पीपल आर ईटिंग थ्रोइंग हियर ओनली. भाई बोलना यार.
It's again disrespectful. Don't cry. It's again disrespectful. Seriously, we shouldn't do this.
We are having dustbin here, there everywhere, and you guys are throwing. Bro, what's the sense?
अगली बार किसी ने ही फेंका उनको अपनी माँ की कसम नहीं.
या गाइस अभी जो भी अगर फेंका उसको उसकी माँ की कसम नहीं फेंकना. चलो लेट्स गो. वेट गाइस हम लोग स्टेयर केस से आए थे और अभी रोड के मेन रोड से जा रहे हैं और मज़ा आ रहा है बस. Like today we have traveled how many kilometers, Sugat? Nearly 18. Sorry, Sugat.
20.
Nearly 20 kilometers traveled till now. At the end, when we reach home, I will tell you how much kilometer we have traveled.
30, it will be 30.
But people tell like in this Chamundeshwari mountain hills, na leopards are there. So
Then I told that we also have one leopard. और करना.
There is no.
roar, do roar, man.
और करना.
Do roar. Come on.
We made it, guys.